Are you struggling in writing your memoir or feeling a little lost as to where to start? Or perhaps there's this overwhelm of how are you going to finish it, because right now you're losing stamina and you're feeling stuck in the mire of your memoir. And what about the structure? Are you getting it right? There's this constant thought going around in your mind. Well, if these scenarios describe you, then you're in the right place, because I have an answer for you. Hello, I'm Brenda, and I'm here to help you to write your memoir and to finish it. But before we can do that, we need to plan it so that you don't get stalled, frustrated, or feel overwhelmed. I know the overwhelm that comes from writing a memoir. I know that feeling of frustration and even paralysis at wondering if you're getting it right. And I also know what it is to lose stamina and wonder if I'm ever going to finish this memoir. And the thing is, it doesn't have to be this way. There is a simpler solution. Having a blueprint for your memoir will help you to write your memoir to that final punctuation mark. Without a plan for your memoir, two things often happen. Either you write reams of memories that are not going anywhere, because memories are not story, and memories do not create a plot. Or you get stuck. I live and love memoir. I love teaching memoir, and I love guiding others in writing their memoirs. There is no greater thrill for me than when a memoir writer comes with doubts and frustrations, gains traction, grows in confidence and awareness, and then finds their groove in writing their memoir. And I want to help you to do that too, which is why I created a simple solution. I designed my Create Your Memoir Blueprint from Premise to Promise course with you in mind. In this course, we'll blueprint your memoir from cover to cover and everything else in between, so that you can write with confidence and achieve your dream of finishing your memoir just as I and others have done. By the time you finish this course, you will know why you care about this memoir, what its premise is, broken down into its 8 components, and what the promise is you are offering your reader. But that is not all. You will also have blueprinted the plot of your memoir in its 3 acts. You will have traced your transformation through those 3 acts as they work in tandem with the plot. And you will have the key events for each act listed. And yes, there's a bonus. It comes with a companion 33-page fillable workbook for you to blueprint your memoir and to keep it in one place for easy reference. Writing your memoir just got a whole lot easier. This is what Jean, a participant, had to say about the Blueprint Your Memoir course. Going through this course helped me clear the cobwebs. You made it very concise, simple and clear in only the way you can teach it. Thank you so much for this course. Because you made it simple, it made me dig a little deeper, and I started writing again. You have a winning course on your hands. If that is a valid experience for one of the participants who got stuck and then did this course and got writing again, then it can be true for you too. And if my dream of writing and publishing my memoir can come true, so can yours. Look in the description below this video for the link to find out more about my course, because I would love to have you in it. I honestly would love to help you to gain clarity around your memoir, to get that traction and to get your memoir written. And I really believe that my course, Create Your Memoir Blueprint from Premise to Promise, can help you to do that. If you'd like to get to know me better first, then do take a look at my YouTube channel. I have many courses there to help you in writing your memoir. Whichever decision is the right one for you, I want to help you to plan, write, and finish your memoir. That is why I am here. Do take a look at what the course offers. I think you will be happy that you did.